So now I'm going to talk to you about signs and symptoms of bleeding. Chemotherapy does affect the good and bad cells in your body. One of these good cells is something we call platelets. Platelets are in your bloodstream and they help you stop bleeding when you cut yourself or have an open wound or anything like that. When you get chemotherapy, unfortunately, it does cause those cells to drop in the number in your bloodstream, and it makes it a little more likely for you to have a bleed that will not stop. Things you will notice at home if you are to have low platelet count are bleeding from the gums when you brush your teeth. You can have a nosebleed that doesn't stop bleeding. Or if you were to cut your finger, you notice that it didn't stop bleeding. We would be concerned and we would ask that you give us a call. There are some measures you can take, however, to prevent some of these things from happening at home. We do recommend that you brush your teeth with a soft toothbrush. We recommend that you use an electric shaver so we can avoid some nicks on the skin. If you're going to do any dental procedures, we would like you to let your clinic know and also let your dentist know, because we would like them to be prepared for any potential bleeds, and maybe we can stop your medications prior to that. We would like to avoid contact sports or sports that have high rate of injury, because we wouldn't want you to have any internal bleeding or external bleeding. There's also some things that you could notice if you did have internal bleed. If you notice any blood in your stool or black tarry stools, we'd be worried about an internal bleed and we'd want you to call us immediately. If there's any blood in your vomit or you have a dark brown vomit, we would like to know about that. If you have any cuts that won't stop bleeding, please let us know about that as well. And if you notice any what we call petechial rash, which is a very small, fine rash on your skin that look like little pinpoints. If you notice anything like that or bruises that don't go away, let us know and we will check your platelet count.